Feel the rhythm? It's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
You know something, people? A lot of people tend to criticize, talk, and a lot of people, they tear people down. But very few people actually build people up. And whether you love him or hate him, one thing nobody can deny is this. Colaz Smith has helped more people start YouTube channels than almost anybody else in Jamaica. And today, we're going to talk about that. Because enough people are not giving this man credit for what he has done for the Jamaican YouTube community. You see, some people only want to shine by themselves. Some people hide information. Yeah, man, when them know something, them not share it with you. Some people, they don't want others to grow. But Colaz, you see, Colaz show people the blueprint. He has showed people how to create a YouTube channel. He showed them how to make thumbnails. He showed them how to vlog, how to stay consistent. He has highlighted small creators on his platform. He promoted channels on his community page. And the craziest part, some of these people, he don't even know them personally. Because even me, Colaz promoted my video several times on his community page. And Colaz don't know me. Colaz never met me before. And I know many other creators can say the exact same thing. And YouTubers on a rollout, if you don't know, say Colaz influence you or help you to start your YouTube channel directly. We want to say Colaz started my YouTube channel, or Colaz helped me to start this YouTube channel, or Colaz show me the blueprint. That is not gatekeeping in no shape or no form. That is what we call nation building, community building, and legacy. And when you really sit down and look at it, Colaz has inspired the entire movement on Jamaican YouTube. Look at how many channels came up around him. Jbud the Baker doing extremely well right now. Jbud, if that video you reach, I want you come in the comment section and want you talk up the things. Them knife ninja now. You ungrateful, bro. You're really ungrateful. What more growth do you need? If somebody show you the blueprint, if somebody give you the map, and you take up in your own hands, if you say, alright, make us stay consistent, make a post, what do you expect? What do you expect? Climer his own son, Pappy Spearfishing, Teabag, Grown God, Great Socks Adventures, Stargirl, and there are many more YouTubers out there. Some people may laugh at this. Some people may even try to downplay it. But let's be real for a second. How many people can honestly say they help over 30, 40, 50 people start a YouTube channel? Not just by talking either, by actually showing them, by actually encouraging them, by actually opening doors for them. Listen, that matters because YouTube changed lives. Some people are feeding their families now because of YouTube. Some people found confidence because of YouTube. Some people escape depression because of YouTube. Some people escape the 9 to 5 because of YouTube. Some people finally found a purpose because of YouTube. And if Colaz inspired those people to begin, then that impact is bigger than views. That impact is bigger than subscribers. That is what we call generational impact. And that is why I say again, and hear me sound passionate people, Colaz is not a gatekeeper. Colaz is what we call a nation builder. And honestly, I hope some of these creators see this video and comment I would love to hear when you say, Colaz inspire me, Colaz help me, Colaz promoted my channel. Yes, Colaz gave me motivation to start. Because too often we only hear negativity. Too often we only focus on the controversy. Too often we try to destroy people's reputation. People right now trying to destroy Colaz's reputation instead of acknowledging the good he has done. And let me tell you something. Good will always overcome evil. No matter what agenda people try to push, good always rises again. Because you cannot erase all the impact Colaz has done. No day, no time. You cannot erase inspiration. You cannot erase the lives he's changed. And one thing about Jamaicans is that when we know, we respect people who help others rise. So whether you agree with everything Colaz does or not, Colaz, we need to give credit where credit is due. The man helped build a movement, and that deserves acknowledgement. If you guys agree with me, let me know down in the comments below. Do you believe Colaz helped change Jamaican YouTube? And do you think more creators should help smaller creators grow instead of gatekeeping information? Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video, and turn on post notifications, because over here on CCN World TV News, we talk the real things then. We highlight where going, the positive things we're going in the YouTube community. Big up on yourself and peace. I'm out.